Hey curious kids, Kevin here. We touch an asteroid.
Don't touch the Nemo!
We touched the butt.
Yes, so today on A Place Called Space, we are going to talk all about it. Now in 2016, this spacecraft named OSIRIS Rex launched from Earth and headed the over 200 million miles away to get to an asteroid named Bennu. Now it spent 2 years there, orbiting around it, taking pictures, collecting data, figuring out where is going to be the best spot to take our sample from. Now, on October 20th, 2020, Asteroid Bennu was tagged by OSIRIS Rex. Yes, TAG, T.A.G. It stands for touch and go. So you would touch, grab our sample, and then go. Now, we did that. It was successful. What happened? Well, the area that we were going to land in is called Nightingale Crater, and it's only about the size of a couple parking spaces. So we had to be very accurate as our spacecraft came down. Now, as we're coming down, it's going super slow. Really, only just millimeters per second it's moving, because we do not want to crash our spacecraft into this asteroid. So it comes down, and as it touches the surface of the asteroid, we fire nitrogen gas. So nitrogen is in our air. It makes up about 70% of what we breathe. It's cool, it's good stuff. So what we did is we fired nitrogen gas on the surface to kind of mix it up and kick it up a little bit. Have you ever looked in the water and you can see the bottom, but then when you step in it and remove your foot, it gets all sandy and maybe a little cloudy because all the sand is now mixed up into the water. So that's what we did on Asteroid Bennu, was we threw the nitrogen into the surface and it mixed it all up so we could grab it, collect it, and then fire our rockets to lift off and go away. And we did that. Now, it's going to be returning to Earth soon. Why, how soon? Well, it's going to take about 2 years. In September of 2023, it will come back and land in the Utah desert. Then, the scientists can go pick it up and study it. Now, on to trivia. The answer to last week's question of how many people have walked on the moon is D12. 12 people have walked on the surface of the moon so far. We're going to have a few more coming up, hopefully in a few years. Now this week's trivia question is, what do you call the phase of the moon when it's a circle? Is it A, a full moon, B, a whole moon, C, a circle moon, or D, a bright moon? Tune in next week to get your answer. Always be curious.